Juicing is a great way to cleanse your body, but sometimes it can be pretty difficult. So here's our top 11 tips to help you make it through your juice cleanse. Why 11? Because we like to go one step beyond.
Plan ahead. You don't want to have a fancy dinner or a family meal in the middle of this thing.
Stay positive. You've got this, no matter what anyone says, even that voice in your head.
Set up a tea time. Teas add variety and warmth. Meditate away the hangry if you can. Be quiet, stomach.
Stay close to the bathroom. So much liquid. So much liquid. Sweat, glisten, and glow. Get those juices flowing. In a sauna or on a walk. Don't talk about food. Don't think about food. Don't look food up on Pinterest. And don't lick your screen.
Drink your juices slowly. Make your meals last.
Stay active, but not too active. Remember, you gotta turn it down a notch.
Be sure to load up on water. Add lemon, helps detox and fool your stomach.
Take a bath. Pour some Epsom salt and essential oils in that puppy. You deserve it.
And there's our top 11 tips on how to make your juice cleanse a little bit easier. So get out there and detox and cleanse like a champion.